Now let's see the effect of temperature on solubility of gas in liquid. We have already seen the effect of pressure. We have seen the effect of pressure on solubility, effect of pressure on solubility, and we have seen Henry's law. So where we have seen when pressure increases, solubility also increases. So that is the effect of pressure on solubility of gas in liquid. So let us see the effect of temperature and solubility of gas in liquid. So the point is when temperature increases, the solubility of gas in liquid, decreases. So this is the point. When temperature increases, the solubility of gas in the liquid decreases. This will be understood by a simple example. If we are boiling water by applying heat, if you are heating this water boiling water by applying temperature, we can see some bubbles are formed on the surface of, or the bubbles are seen on the surface of this water. Some bubbles are seen, or that bubbles are trying to escape from that water molecule. We can see when we are boiling water. So by applying temperature, when temperature increases, what happens is some bubbles, some gaseous bubbles are formed on the surface of liquid, or we can say some gases or some bubbles are trying to escape from that water molecules, from that water. So we can say that these bubbles are actually oxygen. These bubbles are actually oxygen. We know that oxygen gas is dissolved in water, and that will give an extra taste to water. So this oxygen gas is dissolved in this water is trying to escape when it is boiled. So we are applying temperature. When temperature increases, actually the solubility of this oxygen gas will be decreased. That means when temperature increases, solubility of gas in liquid decreases. That is why the oxygen gases or oxygen gas or oxygen bubbles are trying to escape from water when we are boiling water, or when we are applying temperature, the oxygen gas dissolved in this water is trying to escape. So this oxygen gas, or the solubility of this oxygen, or the solubility decreases. So when temperature increases, the solubility of a gas in liquid decreases. So that is the effect of temperature on solubility of gas in liquid. So we can see a real life situation. So aquatic animals or aquatic species are comfortable in cold water. So aquatic animals are comfortable in cold water. Why? So this is an application. So it's a real life situation where we can relate temperature and solubility of gas. So we know that aquatic species are using oxygen dissolved in that sea water. So if it is sea water, so oxygen dissolved in sea water. So that oxygen is used by aquatic animals. So when temperature increases, we know that the dissolved oxygen, the amount of oxygen level that is dissolved in that water will be less. So that means the sea water will be deprived of oxygen. So sea water will be deprived of oxygen if temperature is more, or in summer season, or the temperature is more, the oxygen, the amount of oxygen will be less in the case of in sea water. That means the amount of oxygen dissolved in sea water will be less. So that is uncomfortable to aquatic species. So cold water or cold condition or winter season, that is comfortable for aquatic animals. So oxygen dissolved in seawater is used by aquatic animals. So if it is less, if the temperature is more, so those animals are uncomfortable. So aquatic animals are comfortable in cold water. If temperature is more, the solubility will be less. That is the reason.